Ahead of Hurricane Dorian, many along the Outer Banks of North Carolina packed up and left. Dare County issued a mandatory evacuation for visitors and residents, but some are choosing to stay behind and ride out the storm. 10 News Side's Jason Marks joins us now live in Nags Head this morning. And Jason, people there spent the last couple of days boarding up and preparing for whatever the storm brings.
Yeah, absolutely, Don. You know, we say it all the time, prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Now, the sun is coming up this Thursday morning. Take a look at the ocean here next to the Jeanette's Pier and Nags Head, and you can see what it looks like. It's not that rough yet. It is a little bit more rough than what it was yesterday. Yesterday was a beautiful day out here. Now, the biggest concern obviously is going to be flooding in the Outer Banks. We're talking about tidal flooding, ocean wash, overwash when it comes to Highway 12 on Hatteras Island and here on the mainland. We're also talking about sound-side flooding both on Hatteras and here in Nags Head and Kill Devil Hills and Kitty Hawk. That's always your big concern. It's not looking like it's going to be a major rain event according to officials. They're not worried about a Matthew-type rain where they get 15 inches. They are just worried about getting some of that overwash and that flooding from the sound side as this storm moves through. You can see what's going on right now. Beautiful morning out here. We can tell you that the day here in the Outer Banks is going to be spent by people, residents, visitors, making those last-minute preparations, boarding up their homes, boarding up shops, making sure that they have everything in their yards tied down. We saw a lot of that already, but they're going to continue to do that throughout the day, throughout the overnight hours as this storm is getting closer and closer and closer. One other thing to add, guys, that mandatory evacuations, those remain in effect for Dare and also for Currituck counties. So really take those to heart because they put those out for a reason. Now, coming up in a half an hour, my colleague Andy Fox interviewed a man he's a Buxton resident, and he's staying on the island for a very good reason. I'll explain what that is coming up in about 30 minutes. For now, that's the latest in Nags Head. Jason Marks, 10 on your side.
All right, Jason, thank you very much. We have new information this morning on evacuations from Joint Base Langley Eustis. All dorm residents on Langley Air Force Base are under a mandatory evacuation now. This includes dorm residents, base privatized housing, and all lodging facilities. Residents are required to evacuate by 5 tonight. This is a change from yesterday when only certain buildings were being evacuated. Officials made the change based on the anticipated storm surge. We're back at 7:15. As Hurricane Dorian moves closer to us, we start feeling the impact tonight and tomorrow. Now, in Hampton Roads, that means rain, wind, and possible tidal flooding. 10 News Side's Kiahnna Patterson joins us now live from Virginia Beach. And Kiahnna, people are preparing their homes for that potential flooding.
Yes, Don, it's not too late to come out and shovel some sand to make sandbags for potential flooding from Hurricane Dorian. I want to show you two Virginia Beach residents behind me. They're out here early shoveling the sand, making those sandbags. One's from Lynn Haven and the other is from the Kempsville area. They both tell me that they have experienced flooding in the past with Hurricane Matthew and Hurricane Florence. So they said they wanted to come out here before they head to work and also before it starts to rain to make sure that they have sandbags. Now, this is the second year in a row that the city has offered free sand, and public works crews say they are keeping an eye on those flooding areas like Sandbridge, like Pungo, and also like Lynn Haven. Now, the city managers, the emergency manager, excuse me, says that they are preparing for the worst case scenarios when it comes to high water and flooding. And they say that it's all about preparation at this point. Even if the governor has not decided to do mandatory evacuations, the city still has the option to do it if the water gets too high.
So the governor has decided not to issue a mandatory evacuation, and what he has stated is that he'll yield to the localities to decide the areas that they may identify as areas that need to move to higher ground.
And if you are heading out here to shovel some sand, they tell me they bought the bags either online or at the store, and those are contractor bags that she's using over there because she said Home Depot ran out of those plastic bags. But if you are interested in coming out here, they'll start up around 9 o'clock this morning, and it is a good idea to bring your own bags and your own shovel. In Virginia Beach, Kiahnna Patterson, 10 on your side.